Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, today I am going to show about this trending viral reel as you seen in the preview, which is going viral on Instagram. Guys, if you want to try this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, to make this video you need VN application which is easily find on your Play Store. So guys, first install the VN application. After that, when you will open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, you need 12 video clips to edit this trend. To import the video clips on here, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the 12 video clips from your phone library. Okay guys, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. Okay, you can see guys, you have to take the 12 video clips and first you delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16. okay, to increase your video quality, and it is the TikTok ratio but perfect for Instagram. Then guys, we will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first you have to download the reel video from Telegram. After that, you have to click on the plus icon on here to extract the music and click the music option. Now guys, click the plus icon on here and here you will get extract from video option. So click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram and have to OK from here. Then guys, click on the choose option and have to done from here. Okay, in this way music will be added. Now guys, we will add the black background on here and click on the plus icon on here and click the material option. Okay, now select the black background from here. Okay, and background will be added. Now as we will trim the videos according to music. So first I trim the video clips. After that I will tell you the videos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay guys, you have seen how to trim the video clips. Now note the videos durations. First you keep the durations of first video clip which is 2.25 second. Okay, and second black background duration will be 5.25 second. Okay, now guys, you have to keep the same video duration of other video clips which is 0.45 second. Okay, all video clips duration will be same. You have to keep the durations like this. Your video will be perfect. Now your video is completed. Now you can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.